Welcome to Whois Data Center, where we crack the mysteries of the internet one domain at a time. Today's question: what is Whois? And trust me, the answer is cooler than it sounds. So stick around. Let's imagine this. Every domain name on the internet is like a book in a giant library. Whois is the librarian, the one who knows who checked out each book, when it was borrowed, and even when it's due back. When you perform a Whois lookup, you're essentially asking, who owns this domain? And here's what Whois can tell you: the owner's name, when the domain was created, when it's set to expire, like a library book's due date, and where it's hosted. Now here's a cool twist. Whois has a secret superpower. It can help you catch internet baddies. Cybersecurity pros use Whois to spot phishing scams and shady websites. You can think of it as the internet's very own Sherlock Holmes. And now, in 2016, WHO data helped track down hackers behind a global ransomware attack. But hold up, it's not all fun and games. Privacy laws like GDPR have stepped in to protect personal data, so sometimes Whois details are redacted or hidden. This is why tools like ours at Whois Data Center are super handy. We give you the most reliable data available, legally and securely. Time for a quick pop quiz. What do you think the oldest registered domain name is? It's symbolics.com, registered way back in 1985. That's older than the World Wide Web itself. Want to try a Whois lookup yourself? Head over to whoisdatacenter.com. Just type in any domain name, and we'll fetch the details faster than you can say cyber sleuth. Whois is more than just a database. It's your window into the world of domains. If you enjoyed this little digital adventure, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon for more fun facts and tools.